Hi everyone, my name is Tara Tarabi and this is my workbook for Green Lawns Company. This is my documentation page. The purpose of the spreadsheet I created was to record weekly service calls made by Green Lawns Company. And as you can see in cell A1 is the name of the company, and cell B3 is the author, which is me, Tara Tarabi, the date, and the purpose to record weekly service calls made by Green Laws. This is my verbal response. I'll get back to this later. Basically, how I completed the case problem, I just followed the instructions in the book. I created my documentation page, and here you go, this is what it is. And I'm going to move on to the service page, the service calls page. So, okay, in my second sheet, which is the service calls, right here, this is my data for the service calls with each customer's information. As you can see here in cell A2 is David Lane, in B2 is his address, in C2 is his phone number, in D2 is his last service date, E2 is the hours, the base fee, the hourly rate, and this is his weekly total. So for each customer, I used a different row and column with each of their own information. So basically the formulas I chose to use to solve the total, I typed in the equal sign, G2, which is the hourly rate, multiplied by E2, which is the hours worked, plus the base fee, which is $35, and the total I received was $87.50. And as you can see in the function bar, there's my formula. Okay, so each customer, you'll see in the formula bar, I use the same formula, just different numbers, different amounts. The one particular feature I learned on Excel was the sum feature, which was pretty interesting to me. What I did was, in parentheses, I typed in H2, semicolon, plus H6, which was $87.50 plus $41.75, and then type sum. It pretty much adds everything together. Right here, there's my total, which was pretty interesting. I thought I never knew that existed. So for my verbal response, I will read it to you guys right now. The worksheet I created for Green Laws indicates the data from weekly service calls made by Green Laws Company. The spreadsheet contains the name of customers, addresses, and phone number, along with the service dates of each customer, the hours that were labored, base fee, and hour rate charged. The formulas to calculate the service charge for each customer was very important because it helped me to understand the charges that were made weekly for the company. I believe using formulas in Excel helps to keep the weekly data organized and is useful for current data. I believe this is vital in a business office environment to help calculate revenue. So there you go, guys. Thank you.